Hello everyone, welcome to the Needle Magic. In today's tutorial we'll be making this beautiful flower, and it's very easy and it makes up really fast, and it's very good for using your scrap yarns. So bring up all your scrap yarns together and let's start making this flower. So let's begin by making a slip knot. सबसे पहले हम एक slip knot बनाएंगे. Now chain 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now go into the first chain and make a slip stitch. पहली chain जो हमने बनाई थी उसमें हम जाके slip stitch करेंगे, तो हमारे पास एक round circle बन जाएगा. So we have to work in this ring now. Now we have to work 11 single crochet stitches in the ring. So हमें 11 single crochet stitch इस ring के अंदर करनी है. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. अब अगर आप चाहो तो आप अपना कलर यहाँ पे चेंज कर सकते हो. You can just change the color like I have done here. After the first round, I have changed the color here, but if you want, you can continue with the same color. After this, you have to do 2 single crochet stitches in each stitch here. So 1, 2 in the same stitch, then 3, 4 in the same stitch, 5, 6 in the same stitch, 7, 8 in the same stitch, 9, 10 in the same stitch, 11, 12 in the same stitch, 13, 14 in the same stitch, 15 in the next, 16 in the same stitch, 17, 18 in the same stitch, 19, 20 in the same stitch, 21, 22 in the same stitch. If you want, you can even add a stitch marker at the beginning so that you don't have to just keep a count like this. So now I have finished doing the second row. Now I'll slip stitch in the first single crochet stitch that we made and I'll cut the yarn. So I'll fasten off here, but if you're making this flower with one color, then you don't need to fasten off. I'm making it with 2 colors this time. So this is ready. Now we'll just make the petals. So now I have taken my second color. Now I'll join it. You can join it anywhere as you feel comfortable, but I'm joining it with the same stitch where I fastened off the previous color. Chain 1. Now we have to make 20 chains. अब हम 20 chains बनाएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. Now go into the next stitch, the next single crochet stitch, and make a single crochet stitch here. I'm working over the yarn tail so that it's secured enough. 1 single crochet stitch in the next stitch. Now again chain 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Again go into the next stitch, next single crochet stitch, and make a single crochet stitch here. Similarly, we have to keep doing this. We have to keep chaining 20 and keep doing 1 single crochet stitch in each stitch till you reach the end here. I'll show you once more. Now we have done a single crochet stitch here, so we'll chain 20 and we'll do a single crochet stitch in the next stitch. तो हम सिंगल 10 स्टिचेस पहले 10 चेन्स बनाएंगे. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 और हम नेक्स्ट स्टिच में सिंगल क्रोशे स्टिच बनाएंगे. So we'll go into the next stitch and make a single crochet stitch. So we'll keep doing this till you reach the end, till you finish the round. So ऐसे ही हमने बनानी है तो हमारी सारी petals इस तरीके से तैयार हो जाएंगी. So as you can see, I have finished the round. Only last stitch is left. मैंने round complete कर लिया है. I have chained 20. अब जो last stitch बची है मैं उसमें single crochet stitch करूँगी. So in the last stitch, now I'll be doing one single crochet stitch. After doing one single crochet stitch in the last stitch, go into the first single crochet stitch here where you started the petal and make a slip stitch. Then chain 1 and now we'll fasten off. So our flower is almost ready. Now what we have to do is we have to just weave in these ends. So we'll use a tapestry needle and we'll weave in these ends. So I'll just go in a couple of stitches so that it's secured enough. So the flower is ready. As you can see, it's curling a bit. If you like the curling texture, let it be like that. Otherwise, you can just pull it a bit and it will become straight. It's really nice and it's so beautiful, and it will use up all your scrap yarns, which is really a plus point. And you can even join these and make lovely things out of it. You can make tablecloths, you can make shawls, scarves, or whatever you feel like. It's really pretty. I hope you like the tutorial. Do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click on the bell icon as you'll be notified whenever I upload my new video. Stay happy, keep crocheting, stay safe, bye bye.